Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as you have already seen, we have prepared two repos, one for the industrial anomaly detection MLOps and this one here, Anoma Vision. So I don't want to, let's say, to mix this. Sometimes some guys, they would like only to use Anoma Vision for something, and the other guys, let's say, sometimes they are interested in anomaly, let's see, industrial MLOps. So what I have to do, so for instance here, I have this repo here, and I would like, the goal is to use the Anoma Vision. Let's see, let's see here, Anoma Vision, I would like to use this inside here. So there are two different methods, let's see, scenarios. Either to copy Anoma Vision from here and put it in this one, which is this method is really bad. And the second one is to add this Anoma Vision as a submodule in this repo here. So what is the advantage of the second scenario? Is that in case you have updated anything in Anoma Vision, it will be reflected directly, not directly, you have to pull directly to this, and you have to, in this repo here, I will use the new, let's see, the new version, the new updated, the new anything is let's see, branches, changes, bug fix, what will be pushed to this repo here, it will be directly to the applied to this. So you, in this case, you will use the latest changes is of Anoma. And the second advantage of this, sometimes you don't need to use, let's see, Anomalib. You would like, let's see, to use your stuff, maybe classification, maybe LLM models, and whatever you want. So what you have to do is just add as a sub module here, and that should work. So let's see here, I have prepared the command get submodule. You have to add the directory uh, to the repo you would like to add as a submodule, and here's the destination. Let's see, I would like to put it in this source. So when I click OK, did I click? So now you can see it will be cloning the whole repo inside this anomaly. I mean MLOps. So you can see if I go to source, and you can see here is Anoma Vision. And one more stuff here, if you go to Git modules, open this one here. Let's see with this, and you can see here the submodule source, and this is the direct link to the Anoma Vision. And of course, you can add as many as you want, but I would like just to keep it simple. And one more hint is if you go to Git, this hidden folder here, and you go to Hawk, not Hawk, sorry, and the modules, and you can see now the anomaly here. And for instance, now I'm using let's see, anomaly, and next time I would like to use something different. And what I have to do is just adding the same stuff as I have done it here. Add a submodule. Also, you can remove it if you don't need it. Let's see, anymore. And I mean, this I'm just teaching you how to do stuff. Let's see, in a professional way, and also trying to teach you the MLOps, and also how to do how to structure some things. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.